This is something which, it's not there online, or you don't have a specific thumb rule as to how to deal with this topic. And I'm sure all of you, whoever present here, must be finding this difficult, how to manage resources. And as when I was keep guiding students, they've always told me that, this year, when is the ideal time to give the exam, how to manage the resources, what am I supposed to use, when should I start the Q bank, when should I do the mock test and all that. So a lot of questions in everybody's mind and very less guidance. So that is the reason I chose this topic, so that it helps you all. Hope this lecture, reaches all of you, how you expect it to. Okay, so diving right into it, the topic is how to manage the resources with a particular timeline, which I have devised on my own. You won't find it anywhere. I've made it customized to you guys based on what experience I've had.